Hello, and welcome to Psych 340 Positive Psychology. My name is Professor Dana Wilkie, and I'll be your instructor this term. So, what's this course about? This course brings positive psychology to life. And the way we do it is by illustrating issues such as how psychological strengths can help increase our positive outcomes in various social settings, right? So we all want to promote stronger relationships, right? We all want to engage with the concepts to understand our positive emotions and strengths. And so what we'll look at are topics like empathy, altruism, gratitude, and attachment. And so we'll also integrate a cultural context to each of these topics to reflect the diversity in today's world. So the class has been divided into two discussion board groups. And the reason we're doing this is to facilitate smaller and deeper discussions. This will allow me to participate in the discussions on a more active with each one of you within the group. Once again, welcome to Positive Psychology, and I look forward to working with you all. Thanks.